unboxing to share with you guys today from Sassy Wax Melts. She sent me some wax melts and I just want to talk to you about them because they're so cute. This one here is lime cucumber, blood orange, agave syrup, cilantro, tequila, jalapeno pepper. Goodness gracious. And look how cute it is. I've always admired her wax melts because they're so creative, but they're also like a lot of them are really big, and so I was afraid to really order because I don't want to be stuck with a big, you know, scent is subjective. So even though their scent might be amazing, I may not fancy that one, so I didn't want to be stuck with wax melts of scents that I don't like. So she made up some scents that she feels I will like. This is fruit slices. She knows I like fruits and perfumey scents and musky scents, so she made me a package based on that. So here's this other one, and it is fruit slices. And look at all the little cute shapes. Next up, we have Sleep Tight Sapphire Nights Blue Sugar. Oh, I do love me some blue sugar. I should do this one right now. So cute, the shapes. Look at these. Look at these. How pretty they are. And again, she has the pour dates on all of these, which is amazing. Wildberry chamomile. This is going to make a very pretty melt due to the layering of colors here. How pretty is that? Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Her pieces normally outside of these are pretty chunky. And the ones that I had seen were like bakery scents. And so I didn't want to order something this big and then have to throw half of it away because I didn't like the scent. Not because her scents weren't amazing, but again, scent is subjective. And so I know that I do like black raspberry, vanilla, lemon curd, pears, cotton candy, caramel, French vanilla. Oh yes! And how pretty is this? Am I going to be able to bring myself to chop it though? Look at the shimmer on that. Gorgeous. Next we have this little pretty thing here. Sweetgrass and dandelion. Ooh, that sounds good. That sounds like it's going to be very earthy. Next we have these cute little bunny shapes. These little carrots in there. This is duck farts. Oh, I've never had duck farts. What does that smell like? And then we have, oh, look at that pretty unicorn. Luminous Optimist cotton candy bubblegum saltwater taffy. I do love some cotton candy and bubblegum scents. I do love that. And then the last one that we have is Birds of Paradise. Yes, Birds of Paradise. Look how pretty they are. All right, guys. Again, Sweetgrass and Dandelion. We had Luminous Optimist. We have Sleep Tight. We have Duck Farts. We have Wildberry Chamomile. We have Fruit Slices. I'm going to like all of these. We have El Nino Poptail and Ace of Spades. All right, guys, that's it. I'm so excited to try these. Thank you, Sassy Wax Melts, for making me a package that I would really, really appreciate the sense of. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.